Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today I'm back in my 1/18 scale cars. This is something I bought last year and haven't yet got around to opening. So this is a Bburago Juniors collection. It's probably a pretty old thing. I actually bought this for 35 Australian dollars from a secondhand store. It looks like it might have been a Toy World. Looking at that original price sticker. I'm not sure if it had been opened, displayed, what the deal is. Kind of looks like it's almost got a piece of plastic missing the top corner there. So I'm going to take a look. It might have already been opened and put back in because it doesn't have plastic tying it down. There's no tape on anything, and underneath very little other than copyright information. Now, the reason I bought this particular car, not that I was actually after the racing, what is it, Diatrans number 22 sponsored thing, but I do like the Porsche Bburago cars. I do have a bunch of them, and before we even open that one, I was thinking that that might be a donor car for the missing silver parts for this black one that I picked up. The black the silver on the wheels is actually faded. Same with the underneath of the back. It's all gone transparent. So, or like the chrome parts worn off. I have no idea how that happened. And I got this one with a broken mirror and missing headlights. And I thought, well, maybe I could just swap the silver parts over. Then I thought, well, by the time I finished doing the lights as well and trying to fix this squished mirror, which may need re-braking and gluing back on, I figure that this particular one, even though it's the same car, may end up being a parts car. So in diorama, I may take the door off, take the seats out, strip it down to a shell. Actually looks like the dash is gone on that too. It seems to be a mirror, unless it was a full electric dash, but not in these days it wouldn't. The engine at least is still the same color, but I may take that out. So that was the idea of buying this junior collection one. Admittedly though, this was off eBay for, I think it might have been $35. It might have even been $35 including post, so probably $20 as a parts car or a part of a diorama, because I'm going to make a workshop in Porsche. But junior collection, I think I actually like it with the paint job on it, so let's go and have a look. So we'll fold down from both sides. It's going to be a bit difficult. Use my calipers here. Try the other side as well. Don't want to rip the tab. I know for $35, I think I've seen them online now. They're actually a lot more than $35. So picking this up for that, quite happy with that. But I have half a dozen, maybe more, 1/18 scale Porsche. I have been collecting them. I'm kind of a bit of a fan of the Porsche, Ferrari and Lamborghini cars, and have got a bunch of them. So I'm not too worried about the casing here. The reason that makes me think this has been removed is there's no tape or anything holding down the doors, but maybe in the juniors thing it didn't come with that. Screws underneath, Phillips head. Let's make sure we don't lose the car. But we are going to have a quick look at the car. I think it's actually quite a bargain, to be honest. I've seen one or two of these and they do go for a bit more, especially boxed like this. But I will keep the box for, I have no idea. I don't want to get rid of it, but probably for that time when I get really old and can't admire these anymore. And family wants to decide to sell them and make money. I don't know. Pay for a nursing home. You're going to have to sell a lot of stuff. Pay for that though. But let's go and enjoy this. All right, so what have we got? Now, I did feel the front come open, so let's have a look at that first. There we go. So for a racing car, we have 2 grey boxes that actually has Porsche written on it. It does too. You can actually see Porsche written there. I'm guessing this is not necessary. Oh, that shuts really quick, doesn't it? Okay, that one actually springs quite well. Did we have that on this? Yeah, we did. But we actually have the beige, and it has, okay, it's exactly the same model. And what was this one? This is a, let's get back here and not scratch the two. 1993 Porsche 911 Carrera. That's all it says. Okay, cool. And the juniors one, oh, what makes it juniors? Oh wow, that's actually really smooth. I don't think this has necessarily been played with. This is pretty good. It's a 1993. It's exactly the same. That's the chrome it should look like. I hope it doesn't wear off. Maybe something where the old black one was stored wore it out. But this is actually in perfect condition. Let's have a look inside. Grey interior instead of the leather. Oh, we do have the details. Oh, can we get a light on the dash there? No, but see if we can focus on that. Can we actually zoom in there? Yep. There you go. All right, so you can see that there is a full dash in here, where the other one's completely silver. We also have what looks like chrome pedals. Nice. Juniors. Man, you guys are pretty lucky. Look, I don't know. I've never actually seen a Bburago Juniors. We have chrome indicator stalks as well. We have, let's see if we can get in from the other side. The center dash has decals and stuff on it as well. Can we actually focus in on that? Oh, there we go. That lit it up. Well done. Well done. So the Bburago stuff, the Italian built stuff, I'm actually quite happy with this. I don't know how old this one is, but hang on, let's get you zoomed out. Have a look in the back. Oh, the back seat folds forward. Okay. See that? So you can see that back seat, and it says 911 on it. Okay, can I get my hand in there to... No. Put something in there that's not going to damage it. Let's try this little plastic opener. Okay, you can actually fold down the back seats to make it flat. Cool. Now I'm going to have to work out how to get that back up, but we'll worry about that another time. Wheels are very nice. Steering, it turns the steering wheel, and there's actually, it returns to the middle on that. Have a look in the back. It's got Auto Sport. Yeah, this, I don't think this has necessarily been out and about. $35 score, Brett. Decent chrome and the silver. So obviously the chrome on the other one completely faded. Wow, I hope that doesn't happen on this one. Same engine. Yeah, exactly the same model. This one's going to go in the future Porsche workshop. This one's going to be a potentially broken down modelled car with the engine out, maybe up on a hoist. I'm definitely going to have to take the entire exhaust system off, because you look at the chrome on that thing, and then you look at the clear on this thing. Wow, it really faded. Something went wrong with the black one there, but everything else is the same. Yep, that'll be a parts car. I'm going to pull that apart. We'll respray the wheels, which means we can then go either chrome or any colour. We do have Pirelli tyres. I must admit, these are really well done. I've never looked at the P0s. I've never looked at them in so much detail. I will go and show off a bunch more of my 1/18 scale cars soon. I have been looking at opening up a whole bunch of stock that I've had sitting here for a while. such as this one. And I think that's actually it. I've caught up with my unopened models like this. The rest are already on the shelf, and I'm going to start displaying them off, and then making the dioramas. If you're interested in checking that out, by all means press the subscribe button. Maybe make some comments down below if you've got these, or you've seen these, or you've never actually come across one of these juniors. You know, let me know. I'm very happy with that. Shame about this one being so smashed up, but like I said, I bought this including postage, I think, for the same price I bought this bargain one. Maybe even less. Could have even been $30 with post. But I'm happy with that because I'm going to pull it apart and do it up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. You know how it goes. I'll try and build this channel up. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.